The Israeli war continues, in the coming months we are likely to see an accelerated increase in the prices of petroleum product, and that could go as high as $150 per barrel. That's top two. The pricing is likely to go to $150 per barrel in the coming months. And that, when you bring to the liter in the market, is likely to really continue accelerating the price to the liter at the pump. And it could go it could go as high as $300.
300.
Times of crisis like now, we are looking for anywhere to slash. But most of the ministries and departments come and try to defend their budget very hard. We don't want to have that kind of connotation that we have institutionalized corruption. And this is not even corruption. You're calling it budgeted corruption, but this is actually theft of public resources, if at all it was taking place.
Gone up. So our currency is devaluing, we have high inflation, we have rising interest rates, we have uncertainty that is there in the market. Chair, we have seen in our own context here, we have got a huge unemployment issue, we have a huge youth bulge, we have our economy is around contracting, manufacturing, we have had prolonged drought, we have had serious impact from COVID.
There are actually taxes which are critical, and the most common ones are the levies. These levies are called levies, but in forms of taxes, and they are not being used for the purposes which they were originally intended. This is why I say some of those levies need to be reviewed and need to be removed.
We lose 2 billion every day. If you do the math, if you were to cursorily look at that figure, 2 billion per day gives you about 710 billion in a year. That gives you almost the deficit that we are talking about. I think a lot of these state-owned enterprises need to run on a business model. You don't make a profit, you don't run, you shut down.
For the